Deepak, what I'd like to know from you is, the biggest non-professional behavior which is regarded from the developer side is that, the projects are not delivered on time. How does the industry solve an aspect like that? What are the areas that need to probably be, set forth, and what according to you, what is the ecosystem that needs to be corrected in order for that aspect to be delivered, or the proper delivery happens for the project?
Industry is entering into a maturity phase. Since we are entering into a maturity phase, lot of introspection needs to be done at multiple levels, as discussed just now. The industry is very strong, very positive. There are a lot of challenges available, but I think the challenges are because we can really meet them, and we can meet them by adding professionalism. As we're all talking about professionalism, I believe professionalism is creating a benchmark of doing the right thing at the right time with minimum of cost. As we know, there's a basic simple definition. If we evolve ourselves around this basic simple definition, we will get the answers of every single situation we face day in and day out. We talk about transparency, we talk about industry standards, yes. What is most desirable to enhance the level of professionalism is that we must cater to certain training institutes, certain areas where we can provide training, not only at our organization level, but in industry per se, that the site management needs to be trained on a different level, the customer management needs to be trained at a different level, the delivery team needs to be trained at a different level, the government needs to be trained at a different level. We need to enhance the trust element which is lacking between the areas. As you can see, as the communication is growing, there is a trust deficit between the different channels. Even in the panelists sitting over here, one feels I'm right, another says no, you're wrong. So what is required is, let us sit down on a platform and understand that there has to be a trust element between each another. Gone are the days when builders were considered as goons, ki ye to badmaash hai, ye to hame apne terms pe kaam kar sakte hain. Today, builders are really professional. They are hired professionals. They themselves are professional. Builders really want to do system-driven and process-driven work rather than an individual work, which used to be the forte previously, not anymore in today's context. So things are changing for good. Everyone is contributing towards this, and I believe in times to come you will find with such kind of interactions, the mind opens up. And when the mind opens up, things will start to understand. We start to understand things in a better perspective. We need to take the view of the customers, we need to take the view of the developer, we need to take the view of the government, and we need to synchronize. Right now, the synchronization is missing, so all those missing links create a problem, and that is what we're facing today. But the industry is going in the right direction. We all are putting efforts to enhance the level of professionalism in whatever we are doing.
Right.
Thank you.
I think, and that is really the key point, that we need to all need to do our bit to get it going.